Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get particle tabs in Chrome and Edge web browser for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me open the Microsoft Edge web browser. And now you can see here I have opened 3 different tabs. So in order to get particle tabs in the Edge web browser, just place your mouse cursor on this tab bar and just right mouse click on it. And now you will see here turn on particle tabs. Just click on it. Now you can see here all the open tabs will be placed in the particle manner. So this is how you can get on your Edge web browser. And if you want to restore it back, just right mouse click on this blank area and just click on this turn off particle tabs. Then it will restore back to the default tab layout. And now let's jump to the Chrome Edge web browser. So now just open the Chrome web browser. And on the address bar, just type chrome://flex and just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now under this search box, just type particle tabs. So you can see here particle tabs. Just click on this default option. Now click on this enable. Now click on this relaunch. So now let me open our different tabs. So now just place your mouse cursor under this blank area of the tab bar. Just right mouse click on it. Now you'll see here show tabs vertically. Just click on it. Now you can see all the open tabs will be placed vertically. So you can see here. And if you want to restore it back, just right mouse click on this blank area and click on this show tabs horizontally. Then it will restore back. And if you want to disable the option, then you can just click on this enable option and set it to default. Click on relaunch. Then it will restore back to the default option. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get particle tabs in Chrome and Edge web browser for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.